Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Honor 7C, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to go for the connected devices, click on the printing and tap to add the service. Right now we move to the Play Store and we have to select plugin from company of our printer. So in my case I will go for the HP print service. So I have to tap on it and then click install. Right now let's open. Right now we have to go through the first setup. So let's slide. Of course it may look a little bit different from your plugin, but you know it's very common, so you have to simply accept all of these permissions. Click start or allow, accept, whatever pops on your screen. After that you can simply just go back to your settings and right now choose the HP print service. And as you can see right now our smartphone find our printer, so we can simply just close this one. And right now if you want to print something, you have to go for that file. I will show you example on the picture. I'll take this one, and right now we have to click right here for the share button and select HP print service. Now just wait, select your printer by tapping, and as you can see right now, to print the picture we have to click on this icon in the right upper corner. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!